a minimalist, I do not care what's trending. I do not miss looking up trends, especially when it comes to clothes, beauty, like what hairstyle is in. I don't care anymore. And I do want to say it's all because of adopting a minimalist lifestyle almost 8 years ago. It has been such an amazing experience because instead of me focusing on what's going on out there regarding trends, I'm more focused on longevity of the things that I like and the style that I like, the hairstyle that I like, embracing my natural beauty more instead of always covering myself up or doing myself up and making me look like someone that I'm not. Same thing goes for music. I used to only listen to music that was new and trending and what other people were listening to. And now I just listen to what I like. And I actually have a bunch of different playlists that I never thought I would have. And I listen to so many different genres. I remember back in the day, my siblings would make fun of me because of my different taste in music. And they would call it weird. So I would stop listening to that stuff or that kind of music in front of others and just focus on what's in right now. And then I realized, why do I always have to follow the crowd? Embracing a minimalist lifestyle has helped me embrace more of myself and stop following the crowd. Another thing that I do not miss ever since becoming a minimalist is buying things out of loneliness. I used to do that all the time back in the day, and I remember when I used to come home from work. I think I was 22, 23, and either my friends were doing their own thing, and I would just take a shower, lay in bed, and feel this loneliness and wanting to do something. And I just grabbed my keys, drove to the nearest 24 hours CVS or Walgreens or Rite Aid, and went crazy with makeup and skincare and beauty stuff and just bought things out of boredom. And if the mall was open, I would go there too and purchase things from Wet Seal, and I forgot what other stores I used to shop at, but Wet Seal was definitely one of them. Oh, Charlotte Rouge. I used to go to all of these stores, purchase dresses, try on dresses. So silly, because what I could have been doing was getting to know myself more and spending money to fill a void. I could have just sat home, write down in a journal, meditate, being with yourself and knowing that your own company is just as good as any other company out there is the best thing that I have ever learned in my life as an adult. I cherish my alone time because I know how valuable it is. You should really learn to get to know yourself. You should learn to love yourself before loving anybody else, before running to go hang out with somebody else. You should learn that your own company, again, is just as good as any other company out there. And I see a lot of my family members that still don't know that till this day, and it's very damaging if you do not know how to just be content with yourself. My nails done and getting my hair done constantly. When I was younger, early 20s, that's usually when I was spending the most money and trying to figure myself out. That's why I always talk about it, because I refer back to how I used to be and how far I've come. So that version of myself, I would go get my nails done every month, and I would get I would try so many different shapes. I would have the Chanel logo on this finger, designer logos, and I just look ridiculous. To myself, I looked ridiculous. Promoting these brands for free, I looked like a freaking billboard back then. Also, when they were long, I think the longest I ever got my nails were this long. And I used to go to work with them. Even though they weren't allowed, I used to go. I did not listen to the rules. And that was another thing, in my early 20s, I didn't care about the rules at work. If they say no leggings, I would go with leggings. If they say no nails, I will go with nails. I don't know why I was so rebellious. Anyways, I stopped doing all of that. Also, when it came to my hair, I have, my hair has been through a lot. I have bleached my hair back in like 2010, I was bleach blonde. I looked horrible. I don't think, like, I feel like the only hair color that looks good on me is my natural hair color, which is a brown with gray. Well, I have a lot of gray now, but I like it. Yeah, so I went from like, I did bleach blonde, and then I got rid of it because it didn't look good, and then I did blue black, and then I did jet black, and then I did black black. I did all the blacks. And then I remember one time, like, I wanted my hair black with blue streaks. Thank God I didn't do that. But anyways, my hair has been through a lot. And I used to go visit my sister-in-law, like, all the time so she can dye my hair, dye my hair, dye my hair. And now when my sister-in-law sees me, I'm actually going to see her next week so she can chop some of this off. I only go for a trim. I always go with clean hair. I'll brush it out for her, and all she has to do is just trim. Like, I usually get like this much trimmed off. Just nice trim, fix my front little layers, and that's it. I don't dye my hair anymore. I don't style it. I don't do my nails or anything, so save time and money with that. And when it comes to my hair, I do save money because I'm very lucky to have a sister-in-law that owns her own salon, but I only go for her to trim my hair. Like, I don't get it washed, I don't get it styled. I don't really do that anymore. I rather like spend the time talking to her when she's done trimming my hair. I rather just like spend the time talking to her and seeing how things are going instead of spending hours and hours in a chair with like heat and dye. Like, I can't do that. I can't go back to that life ever again. I like the natural look a lot better on me. And again, it saves me time and money at the end of the day. Some people are going to come for me with this one, but hear me out. I have been through my fair share of scares when it comes to products. Yeah, so I've just been looking into cleaner ingredients. I use a lot of different apps. There's the Yuka app. There's, you can use Chat GPT as well. Take a picture of the ingredients. It will let you know if any of those ingredients is going to cause hair loss or cancer. There's a lot of weird chemicals that they put into these products to harm us, unfortunately. And I don't want to get too deep into this because I don't want YouTube to like demonetize this video because I'm not a professional. I just educate myself with what's going into my products, because whatever you put on your head or your face, and you know, that goes into your bloodstream. Same thing goes for deodorant. I switched over, I think like 4 or 5 years ago, to aluminum free deodorant, and it's also baking soda free because I do my armpits get a little irritated with baking soda. So baking soda and aluminum free, absolutely love it. Never going back to that other crappy deodorant that is harmful. Lotion, the lotion that I use is clean. So my biggest advice is to check all of your products, check the ingredients, use your phone to your advantage instead of going on social media and scrolling every day on TikToks and Reels. Use your phone for good. Use your phone to check the ingredients with what products are you using, not just on yourself, but on your kids and your family. That has helped me out so much. I also spend less money when it comes to not purchasing or overloading my products, because I felt like if I use this product, then I need to use this one with this one. Because back then I used to just try to like solve the issue by more products. And now I think like for my hair products, I think I own less than 7. And I mean, I'm counting shampoo, conditioner, a clarifying shampoo, hair oil, which is just argan oil, 100% cold pressed argan oil, and then a scalp oil. And the last product that I use is a leave-in conditioner. So like I said, less than 6 products. I've seen such a huge difference. Again, they're all clean. So go through your beauty products. It is so crucial. Like if you're noticing your hair is not doing the best, if you're noticing that your skin is not doing the best, it could be what's inside your products. On that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what common things you do not miss ever since becoming a minimalist.